Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a custom field or custom fields in Insightly. Alright, so first up, go ahead and log into your account. And once you're logged in, go ahead and go to the top right and just click on your profile or this profile icon. Click on it. And here, go ahead and look for system settings. Okay, click on it. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, go to the left panel. This one. Now look for data definitions, and here we have objects and fields. Just click on it, and in here go to the top right. We have this orange button or red. Okay, go ahead and click on it. Now you can go ahead and add in the label name. Okay, for example, tools object name, just leave it as is. And if you want to add in some description, go ahead and do so by just typing it down in here. And once done, record name field, the field label right here, tool name. Okay, if you want that, go ahead and leave it as is. If not, you can just go ahead and freely change it. Okay, field type, we have a drop down here. We have auto number and text. I'm just going to keep it as text. Okay, object icon, if you want to change it, you can go ahead and click on change icon right here. For example, as it is tools, we're going to look for an icon that looks like a tool. Or we can go ahead and find it out right here at the top left. Tools. Here we have tooltip, or this one. Just going to click on it. We're going to scroll down and just hit on Save Custom Object. All right, as you can see here, this is the object tool. Got the object field right here. Okay, now in here you can go ahead and add in a new field if you want to, like so, like a checkbox. Hit on next. Field label right here, for example, new or old. Okay, just like that. Default value is unchecked. Description, help text or hidden, or it would be read only. If you're happy with it, just go ahead and click on Save Custom Field. Or if you want to create another one, just click on Save and New. Okay, once that's done, at the top right, you can go ahead and edit this one. Click on Edit this field, or delete this field, or even clone the field. Okay, now when you go back to system settings right here, as you can see, under objects and fields, you should be able to see tool. All right, and that's basically how you create a custom field in Insightly. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.